we're back. It's Monday, you know, after today we're going to finish the engine. It's like one something. I just took a nap, so I just didn't start the vlog early this morning. But we're going to do that. I'm going to get Scoop. They're at the AutoZone right now, and they're going to come get me, and then we're going to go from there. So stay tuned for the rest of this engine work. We're back. Just scooped. We're back at his crib now.
Oh! What? Look why my clutch wasn't grabbing.
Hope we find out why his clutch wasn't grabbing. The springs are fucked. But I'm gonna make me some coffee.
Dude, the bracket's not even in there.
I'm gonna make me some coffee because I'm tired. So catch y'all back when we're back. Now, what we're doing is letting it sit.
Some sunlight.
And then we're gonna pressure wash it. It got covered in a little bit of oil.
Yeah, we gotta get the oil out.
But we're gonna pressure wash everything that's in this bucket. Maybe the block, I'm not sure yet. He hasn't said anything about the block, but that's what we're working on right now. Is that.
Down the block.
So yeah, looked at it again, and I used the brush to clean it off. But now we're just sitting, stalling.
Letting it. You gotta let it eat the cat.
Yes, we gotta let it.
Yeah, we're not procrastinating.
I got
making sure it comes off.
most of it off. Like as you can see, it's just coming off
If
like that.
water, it'll all fucking come off.
Yeah, as soon as we put water, it'll come off. But we're gonna see what we can clean now. So yeah, I'm cleaning the tranny real quick. You know, it's not gonna be that long, but still. So yeah. So as you saw, I couldn't get this much out with the pressure wash, so I'm gonna try and scrub to see if I can get any out, but I'm not sure if I can. But I got everything else clean.
If anything, don't you
inside
guys
the
got like
housing.
a wire brush?
And yeah, so
They could use with the. I saw it over there.
pulled the head and the cams out. That is dirty. But
Somewhere. Up there.
but he's cleaning it off now, so get that out the way. And then we're probably gonna make a part chart to the junkyard real quick. We don't know. We're not sure yet before it closes. So yeah, stay tuned, guys.
Dude, we could get the Frankenstein right side. That would be nice.
Yeah, it would be nice.
It's like, nah, I'm not gonna
Don't
sell
go
stuff.
scream.
But we're heading to the junkyard right now.
That would be pretty
Finding
fast
some-
for us doing
finding
it.
Yeah, 2 days,
the
and then what?
stuff
Pull it out in
we-
5 hours, build it, and put it
Yeah.
right back in the next time.
We're back. We're at the junkyard right now.
You're a bandit.
About to go find our Honda parts that we need. You know, the junkyard always comes in handy. We got plenty of parts from here for his car.
I don't need it.
I'm probably coming from when I get my car, whenever that comes around. But yeah. So once we find the car we need, I'll record us taking the parts off. I came taken to a junkyard with a hammer.
No.
What?
I destroyed the cams to get
What?
the pins out.
There's no VTEX on it.
I broke it
That's
off.
a
I had to break it off.
A1?
But...
That's not a VTEC.
All right, guys. So right now, I'm using pliers because he's using the actual thing to get the things off. But he didn't think it would work. But it does work because I've done it before on cars. My bad.
Oh shit, it's almost full.
Just like that, they come out. You can see them in my hand.
I dropped half the fucking keyboard on the floor.
We got a pretty good amount so far.
We're gonna get
going on.
32 of them. So we're gonna need to get we're gonna have to steal from another single cam.
Yep. But that's what we're doing right now.
What? GoPro's right there. Hello.
So yeah,
We're stealing keepers off this single cam.
that's what we're doing.
Ay, fue puta.
No tiraste otra vez, pinga. Got some of what we needed. We couldn't find the VTEC solenoid or an ECU. That's what I just said. But we got all the retainer clips we needed. So now we're gonna head out, try to find a VTEC solenoid somewhere. He's having fun with that. But so I'll catch y'all once we get back to his crib or wherever we're going.
Probably Walmart. You get bread, please.
Yeah, probably there.
60, no scope, one shot.
But alright, catch you later. Hi guys, we're back. We're cleaning up the vlog right now. What's up guys? We're back. It's 8:30, but I'm ending today's vlog here because we can't finish the rest of the engine today. We don't have all the parts for it. So whenever we can find the part to fix the VTEC solenoid.
Yeah, we don't have a VTEC, so.
Yeah, we're gonna try to find one tomorrow.
AutoZone wanted $300 for one.
Yeah, we said fuck that. But so I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. So
The head might be put together tomorrow. I don't know yet.
yes,
Or ported and polished.
maybe. Yeah. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog.